As you can see on my screen, these plugins allow you to get your DM directly to your phone and with just one click. So let me install it quickly and we will just go through it. So as you can see, let me activate it. First you need to go to all account, then you need to add a new account. After that, what you have to do is you can just give it a name, just like WhatsApp chat. After that, I am from India, I will add +91, then my number. After adding the number, you have to add a title. You can just give it a name of like help, and pretext, you can add any kind of pretext, and you can use any kind of shortcut or URL as well. Always stay visible. You want to show, or you can change the schedule time according to your own need. This is on a pro version. And after that, you can change the need a help or chat with us, or you can change it to support, anything you like. As you can see, you can change the color. I like the red one. You can change it to square or rounded. You can change the text color button as well. After that, what you have to do is make it publish. After that, what you have to do is you need to go to float icon and you need to add your icon here. As you can see, after selecting it, then you need to go to design. You can change the start conversation, anything like it's bold or anything. As you can see, it's already showing on my bottom corner, and you can change the width of the font, anything, and size of the font, title of the font, anything you like. As you can see, start a conversation, and you can change it, anything to start the conversation, or need help. You can change it to bold or italic. Let's use italic. As you can see, it's italic right now on a as a text. You can change the account name, size, as you can see, or you can change regular text as well. Anything like you can show it to your right or anywhere. As you can see, I prefer it to be default. And these are the other pro version that will allow you to customize it more and much more better. And after that, you need to click on save. So let's go to website, our main website. Let me refresh. So as you can see, it's showing right there when I click on it, and this will allow you to open your WhatsApp. As you can see, if you like the video, make sure to give a thumbs up. This will allow algorithm to rank my video higher, and I'm pretty sure you will subscribe to my channel as well. See you in the next video.